everybody, it's Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And right now, I want to explain to you what a franchise is. Now, in a nutshell, a franchise is a turnkey business model for which you can buy into and have a protected territory to operate in. Now, there's many different types of franchises. There's food service, there's service industries, there's retail, there's so many different kinds, but the one that I'm talking about today is Nexus Property Management. What we provide is a turnkey property management company. So what you do is you come in, you set up a small office, and we give you everything you need from soup to nuts to get going. Now, what I mean by that is this. First and foremost, a turnkey and maintenance-free website. We take care of all of the operations and the updates needed, so you never have to worry about that. Next, we offer training both here at our headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and at your location in the future. Now, what we offer as a bonus is the opportunity to shadow our current employees. Now, that's not required, but you definitely want to take advantage of that. On top of this, we offer private and proprietary labeled software which take the place of most humans. So you save a lot of money on not hiring staff such as clerical and secretarial workers to do repetitive and consistent functions. Now, also we provide social media, SEO, and AdWords. This is included with your franchise fee, so you never have to worry about that as well. So as you can see, we put the ball on the rim for you. All you have to do is dunk it home. So once again, this is Gregory from Nexus Property Management, your property managed.